Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about these bezels from Ringke that they've sent over for me to review. So I put one on and I really like this bezel. This one is gloss silver bezel and it has given my Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 a bit more style and a bit more finish. I know a lot of people have said that this watch looks much more simplistic and much more dull as compared to Samsung Galaxy Watch, which has a rotating bezel and it's much bigger. But now you can give your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 a bit more style as well. Now the reason why I like this bezel is actually because not only does it provide some protection to the display in case you're grazing the edges of the watch with something or anything. I know it happens to all of us. It protects the edges of the display because the display and the glass is right up to the edge of the watch if we take it off. So it protects that, and then it provides a raised edge all around the display, so in case you're banging it on any flat surface, it will protect the display all over. And then one of the best reasons why I like something like this is because it gives your finger a reference point when using a touch bezel. Now on Samsung Galaxy Watch, you have a rotating bezel, you know what exactly you're doing, but we have a touch bezel on Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and when you are using it without any bezel or any edge, sometimes your finger wanders off it or moves too much on in the display and will turn on something or will open an app or something like that. But with something like this, you have a reference point to touch your finger against and you know what you're doing, and then just moving around the touch bezel is much more easy and precise, and you can use it much more effectively on the watch. And that is one of the main reasons I really like this bezel. And I also like how this gives a much better look to my watch. So I also have a gloss black bezel and I'm going to put that on as well, so we'll see how it looks with that one. Okay, so let's open this one up. There we go, nice presentation. And we take this off. And then we have this adhesive material in there, and once we pull off these tabs, you can actually put it on the watch very easily and give it a really nice look. So let's see how this works, and let's take this one off. Okay, so it takes a bit of effort, so it's not going anywhere, it's secure in its place, you know that. And now let's take this stuff off. So now all you have to do is just we have some dust collected on the bezel, so remove that. And then you have these cutouts. Along the edge here, so you just align them. Make sure they align with the buttons here, and then you just press down all over to make sure that the adhesive sticks to the watch. And then make sure that you're looking at the edges like this to make sure that the bezel is in place. And wow, just look at that, how beautiful the watch looks with this glossy black bezel. So I'm really liking it. I think I'm gonna use it regularly on my Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 now, because as all the reasons that I have mentioned before, it makes the scrolling of the bezel easier, gives more style and much better look to your watch, and then also protects the display. So that's really cool, and I love it actually. So that's about it from this video, guys, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.